Alright, so we're gonna drop the bumper down. We're probably gonna try this support brace first. It seems to be in the way. I think I could weld to it and pull it more from the center point where it's actually impacted.
Maybe. We got a new hood for this car.
And it won't fit. Why?
Because
everything's just
it's
slightly
been bumped
back.
in. Yeah.
The AC still works, so it's not broken.
So we're gonna try to fix it.
By hooking it up to a tree and backing up real hard. I've seen it on YouTube a million times, and I am YouTube certified. One of those embarrassing things where the whole front end of the car rips off. Well, it pulled it away.
It did pull it away.
Should I do it again or leave that?
Maybe move the chain so it's on the kink and then try it again, but a little less jerky. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it's done.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
All right.
That is perfect.
Good.
All right, so that's the first step. Now we got to do this piece.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, there's a little more. That's just to make the bumper brace too.
Hold on, let me move the bumper so you don't run it over.
Look, you see the curve right here where it hits the radiator. See that?
Yeah.
I'm asking you.
Yeah, I do.
Okay,
I do.
all right,
I see
respond
that.
please.
Yes, I see that.
I need you to be attentive. All right, so we're trying to pull this up about 1.5 inches, maybe 1 inch, and then you'll know because this will be like this gap, same gap right here, straight all the way across.
Okay. A little more. Okay. Oh. Just do it one more time. Slight more. Okay. Well, definitely looks better.
It's like just hitting.
Oh yeah, and it looks much better.
But look how far down it is.
Yeah, it's not perfect.
No, it needs to. It's way the front far down. So I need you to watch for me.
Yep. All right. Keep going. A little more. Okay.
Perfect over here, so low over here. Why? Why is it so low?
Yeah, it's that bumper thing. All right.
So we still need a rubber piece.
But still.
Why don't they sell them at the O'Reilly's?
Probably. That can't be that expensive. So much better than before, though. Yeah. You can't even see it. Yeah, you can see it. I lied.
Let me
You can
see if
definitely see
there's a
it.
bumper on the truck.
Okay.
Go off.
Yeah.
They're both gonna come up.
Yeah.